This is how our simple life begins. I am a new wife. This is my new home. Every day is simple but full of love.
Good morning. My name is Aisha. I am a new wife. Today, I will share my daily routine. I wake up early in the morning. The room is quiet and calm. I smile and thank God for a new day. I slowly get out of bed. I fold my blanket neatly. I open the window for fresh air. I go to the bathroom. I wash my face with cool water. I brush my teeth slowly. After that, I make wudu. I pray Fajr prayer
Allahu
with
Akbar.
peace in my heart.
Subhana Rabbi.
Prayer makes me feel calm and thankful. Now I go to the kitchen. I like to keep the kitchen clean. I wash my hands and wear my apron. I start making breakfast. I make tea for my husband. I also make eggs and fresh bread. While cooking, I move slowly. I enjoy the smell of tea. I feel happy to care for my home. My husband wakes up. I greet him with a smile.
I love our quiet
We sit
mornings.
together
Me too.
and eat
It's our special
breakfast.
time, always.
We talk about our day.
I love our quiet
We
mornings.
laugh softly.
It's our
This
special
time
always.
feels very special. After breakfast, I clean the kitchen. I wash the dishes carefully. I wipe the table and stove. Then I clean the house. I sweep the floor. I dust the furniture. I open the windows again. Fresh air comes inside. The house feels bright and warm. Later, I take a short rest. I sit on the sofa. I drink a glass of water. I check my phone.
Hi, Mom. It's
I
so good
talk
to hear your
to my
voice.
mother.
I'm doing well.
I
Just
ask
enjoying the
her
afternoon
how
light.
she is.
I love you too. Talk
At
soon.
noon, I prepare lunch. I cut vegetables slowly. I cook rice and curry. I keep the food warm. When my husband comes home, we eat lunch together. After lunch, I clean again. I wash the dishes. I keep everything in its place. In the afternoon, I relax. I read a simple book. Sometimes I listen to soft music. I also learn new things. I watch cooking videos. I write new recipes in my notebook. In the evening, I make tea. We sit together again. We talk about life and dreams. Before dinner, I prepare food. I cook
Thank you
with
for this
love
day
and
all its
care.
blessings.
I
Please
enjoy
watch
this
over us through the
peaceful
night.
time. At
Thank
night,
you for
we
this day
eat
and all
dinner.
its blessings.
We thank
Please
God
watch
for
over
the
us through the
food.
night.
We feel
Thank
grateful
you for
and
this day and
content.
all its blessings.
After dinner,
Please watch
I
over us through
clean
the
the
night.
kitchen. I wash
Thank you
the
for this
last
day and all its
dishes.
blessings.
I turn off
Please
the
watch over us
lights.
through the night.
I go to the bedroom. I change into night clothes. I feel tired but happy.
Thank you for
Before
this day and all
sleeping,
its
I
blessings.
pray again.
Please watch
I
over us through
thank
the night.
God for my day. I ask for peace and love. I lie down beside my husband. The room is quiet. My heart feels warm. This is my daily routine. Simple, peaceful, full of love.